Okay.
On it?
Ty.
Okay, we're taping you. 1, 2. Polar bear swimming. Good girl, Tara. Woo!
But after hiking, just stay in it. It's not that cold.
Ty, jump in.
Okay, Ty, you're up. Let's go.
No, she's not.
No, you said after 10.
Come on, Ty. Ty.
3.
Kirsten, go. Jump. Do a cannonball.
Kirsten.
Chicken.
You want me? Kirsten, if I do it again, will you do it?
1,
Right after? Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, Ty, your
Ty,
turn.
your turn.
I already thought of it.
Okay. Do a dive.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Don't say that.
If I let you say it, I don't care if I'm already wet. You can get me as many times as you want. No running, Dad.
It's dangerous.
Arvin, go running. No?
No.
No.
No, Dad, there's gonna be a lot more, Dad.
You don't get me wet.